Assalamualaikum and a very good day. We AZTECS Group, student of Mechanical Engineering, Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, Faculty Engineering and Built Environment, would like to talk about tissue paper. In this video, we will talk about the application for tissue paper, which will be further explained by Nur FADHILAH, as well as the material used to make tissue paper, which will be discussed by Muhammad Shafiq, the properties of tissue paper, which will be discussed by me, NAZAR BIN JULASRIN. SHAJESH and KHAIRUL will explain about the manufacturing process of tissue paper, and finally, an example of Malaysian company.
Here is the application for tissue paper. First, we have a facial tissue. Used for treatment manual ones, clean the face, hands or spectacles and cover the mouth when coughing or sneezing. Wrapping tissue we use for packaging such as present and so on. Table napkin, we wipe the food or drink from the mouth and protect the clothes when empty. Paper towel for wet kitchenware, clean dirt and absorb oil like a fried food, while toilet paper generally for toilet users but also use a rod repair to protect the cracked sealant.
Material used in production of tissue paper. First, we have paper pulp. Paper pulp is a ligno-cellulose fibrous material prepared by separating the cellulose fiber from the wood fiber or recycled material through the pulping process. Paper pulp made from wood fiber, usually a combination of paper pulp from softwood and hardwood. Softwood provides strength while hardwood provides softness to tissue paper. Recycled paper pulp is recycled paper which has been processed to removing unwanted element and free the paper fiber. Next material is bleach. Bleach is chemical material used to lighten the color or whiten the tissue paper. Bleach commonly used in tissue paper production is chlorine dioxide and hydrogen peroxide.
Tissue paper's absorbency is one of its property, which is due to its roughness. Aside from that is the thickness, which is measured by using a caliper. Basis weight of tissue paper is around 486. The next feature that distinguishes tissue paper with other type of paper is its comfort. The following property is brightness, which is measured in both indoor and outdoor lighting. One of the characteristics of tissue paper that make it appealing to consumer is its appearance. Last but not least is stretch. This comes from a manufacturing process.
Strain process is pulping. Trees are lopped and cut into fine flakes. Pulp is produced from wooden flakes and recycled materials. The mixture is stirred together in a mixer tank with large quantity of water and some chemicals such as sodium sulfate and limestone. Second process is pressing. The mixture pulp is then poured in fast-moving belt made with high porous materials. The pores will be useful for the waters to escape through it. The tissue paper is then heated and then transferred into a large diameter rolls to be rolled to tissue.
The manufacturing process is converting. First, the tissue is taken and its splices are split and passed through an embossing roller. Second, the embossing softens the toilet tissue and can be used to create decorative patterns. Third, the plies are removed and held together with glue. The tissue is then perforated by doctor blades, enabling the sheets to be easily pulled apart. And the last one, the large roll is fed into a doctoring system and cut by a large rotating doctor blade into individual.
Kuka Paper Manufacturing Sdn Bhd, based in Subang Jaya, Selangor, is an example of a Malaysian company that produces tissue paper. It is a one-step service provider for commercial and consumer market. Aside from tissue paper, they also produce hand towel, napkin and many other items.